Assalamualaikum sir. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to come up with our own idea. So we have selected the password security system as our project topic. As we all know, digital security and privacy is a quite sensitive issue. That's why we came up with the idea to create a password security system in order to secure our personal information, and we have created the project with our hard effort and tried to create the security system on basis of our learning from the digital logic circuit course. So let's move to the next slide. Here there will be a figure of our project. So here's the figure of the project that we have tried to create. I will be introducing this project, and me and my team members will try to explain the whole process and method about this project figure. So let's start with our group mates introduction. My name is ASM Rasuljaman Sajin, ID 1941546. I'm from CSC Department, Section C, and my group mates are respectively Nasim Hadar Shagor, uh, Nishat Tasnim, Naim Hassan, and Niamul Ibn Rahim. So, firstly, I would like to inform about what we used to design the project. We have used logic gate and combination in order to design the password security system, and we have also used XOR gates, AND gates, and lastly NOT gates in this project. So, and we have created this project in such a way that we can use it in our practical life to secure data from being stolen. So now in this project vision part, I'll be trying to describe shortly what actually we have tried to implement in this project and how it will actually work. Here we have used 4 data entry switches, where users will enter the security code, and we have also kept 4 key code switches. So when a user is installing the security system, he will have to set up a security code, and the 4 key code switches will store the security code for him. So in future, uh, when the user will unlock the lock, he has to enter the same security code. If the code is matched with the 4 key code switches stored code, only then the user can access to the data inside. And we have used the green LED to let the user know that the entered password is correct. And we have also used a red light LED for any alarming situation. If there will be any issues with the security code or something else, someone else tries to access it with an invalid code, the red light will light up. Prepare software. Marketing, we have used marketing software to create the project, and as we all know, marketing is an electronic schematic capture and simulation program. Marketing was firstly created by a company named Electronics Workbench, which is now a division of National Instruments. Marketing is widely used in academic and industry for circuits education, electronic schematic design, and smart simulation. And here's the end of my part. Thank you so much. I would like to request my teammate Nasim Haider Shago to take on the project from the next part. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Nasim Ahmed Sagar, and our topic is password security system. And today I'm going to discuss about my part related to the industry. The use of logic gates is critical to industries worldwide. In today's world, copious individuals input password into his security system to insecure his home and business. A company like Ring provides a great number of homes with security system so that individuals can protect his property. For example, individuals can receive alerts and video footage when someone is in his home. Individuals can also check the Ring app at all times to make sure there is anything going on outside of their property. Above it all, a company like Ring is great at providing security system. It can be applicable in shopping mall, airport or any sensitive area which may need to secure. Let's talking about required electrical component. Basically, we will be design our project password security system using logic gates. There we use two logic gates, basic logic gates, two type of logic basic logic gates, and exclusive logic gate. This component is an interactive digital constant that produces a strong digital 1 or 0 state. Here we have used 9 pieces of interactive digital constant, uh, key code switch 4 piece, data entry switch 4 piece, enter password, press password switch 1 piece. In this project, we have used two indicator probe. Uh, One is green probe of 2.5 volt, another one is red probe of 2.5 volt. When passwords are matched, the green LED is light up, and if doesn't match, then red LED is light. So that's all for me. Now our another teammate describe the next part. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nasim Haider Shagor, for passing over to me. Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Nishat Tasnim. My ID is 19417-203. I am from Section C and my department is CSC. I am going to show the design method of this project. We have three parts of design method. 1. Place the components. 2. Circuit mechanism. 3. Simulation. First, we are going to see how to place the components. Here the components are interactive digital constant, XOR gate, NOT gate, AND gate, LED or probe. One is the green LED and another one is the red LED. Now here is our final circuit looks like. Now I am going in my multi-sim window to show you how to place the components. First, this is our components. First we are going to click place and then component. From here we are going to all groups and then search for our gate. Like this is here I have searched for AND gate and 2 and place it over. We are going to take 5 AND gates like this, and then we are going to search for XOR gate, and I'm going to select XOR 2. Like this we are going to take 4 XOR gate, and then I'm going to take NOT gate, and like this I'm going to place 5 NOT gates. And from group section, now I'm going to select sources and click digital sources and then a interactive digital constant. Okay, like this I'm going to take 9 interactive digital constant, and then from again group section I'm going to select indicators, then click probe, and then from this section I'm going to take probe DIG green and 1 probe DIG red. 1. So we are going to place all the components like this and place it over. Now I'm going to show you how our password security system circuit looks like. So this is our password security system looks like. This is our main given password, and this is our user given password. If our user given password is matched with main password, then the green light pop up, and if it doesn't match, like if I change the input from here like 01 0 0 0 1, then the red light pop up. So this is my simulation, and now this is my required truth table. So in this section I have main password, then user given password, then enterprise password switch, and final outcome. If my enterprise password switch is always 0, then that means it is off and no output will show up. And if my enter password switch is on and the input is all on all 1, then my final outcome will pops up. Either it will be green or red. If it's green, then my password is matched, and if it is red, then my password doesn't match. So this is my circuit mechanism and simulation. Now I'm going to pass my further discussion to my next group member Niamul Ibn Munir Rahim to continue the presentation. Thank you for being with me. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Hassan, ID 183707771. Section C, Department of Tripoli. Now I start to present my part. Final circuit. We use 4 XOR gate, 5 NOT gate, 5 AND gate, and 1 inter-password switch. U21 and U22 are connected with switch. U21 are connected with LED, green LED. U22 connected with red LED light. Result. Enter the password switch and given the password. The main password is matched with the stored password. Then the green LED light up to lock the open. Our password is 0101. When user press 0101, then the match with the storage password. Then U21 open and green light up and open the door. When enter the password switch, the given password, the main password does not match with the stored password, then the red LED light up and lock did not open. The main password is 0101. When user given 0001, the U21 did not open, but U22 open and red LED light up. This is alarming signal and the lock of the door did not open. Analysis. The user entered the password and password match with the stored password, then the green LED light up and lock is open. When the unknown person entered the wrong password, the analysis, the system alarming by the red LED light and lock will not open, so unknown person will not enter the home. Now we can say that the system matched with our idea.
Thank you, Naim Hassan. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Niamul Ibn Munir Rahim, Department of CSE. Now I am going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. In this password security system, there are some advantages like it is easy to make and it is easy to use, and the last one is it has low cost. Now I'm going to talk about disadvantages. Though it has some advantages, it has some disadvantages too. Because it's a 4-bit security scheme, there are 16 possible combinations. As a result, this lock combination circuit is particularly advanced. It will be less secure if it is utilized in a real-world application such as a home security system. Because if we don't specify the maximum number of incorrect inputs that can be entered, because the password should only have 16 possibilities, the unauthorized person may quickly guess it. This would be an extremely dangerous scenario. Now I'm going to talk about overcome the disadvantages. So to overcome the situation, The stop output should be connected with a siren or a buzzer or any other alarming devices such as mobile devices, so that entry of an incorrect code would be determine an unauthorized person attempting wrong password and wanted to open the lock. And here is our conclusion. The conclusion is the implementation of this project as a digital logic circuit design is very sophisticated and comparatively easy. People use password to protect their valuable data. As the cost is so high of making this type of security system, so it can be applicable in home, shopping mall, locker, and any other sensitive places which may need to secured. So thank you everyone, and assalamu alaikum.